Hello YouTubers, do-it-yourselfers. Got a property here that has been a rental for several years, and we're gonna offer this property for a lease purchase. It's I believe a 16 by 65, maybe a 14 by 65. I'm not 100%. I'll have to look at the title and get back on that. But yeah, this was a rental property for years, and we've decided to sell it and do an owner finance or a lease purchase. So terrific opportunity to get in something on the inside. I'll show you later. It's an empty pallet. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you're gonna love this. It's got a start that needs someone to get in and finish. So you could get into this one for about the amount you would pay to get in a storage shed and turn into a tiny home. If you've been following the channel or you're a subscriber, you know that I've uploaded content shed to tiny homes, and seems to be a lot of interest in that. A lot of people their house values are going up and their taxes are going up with them. A lot of people are trying to downsize. So we're going to offer this, and it can stay on the property. There's a $350 property lease agreement that will go with the purchase, and then I'll put a link to the details below this video. As you can see here, there's a nice carport, covered carport that's about, I had a car and half a trailer in it earlier, so it's pretty good size. And that goes up to the back door. Little porch up here. Not sure the size of that. I have another video that I shot a while back that has the dimensions of the porches on it. It's got a pretty nice one on the front, and I'll put a link, post a link down below the video. This is a unit. I don't think it works. It worked when we were renting the property, but I believe now something may have happened to the compressor. So it has central heat and air, but I don't think it's working right now. But anyway, it's there. The previous occupant had window units, so that's an option. Well, this is the rear of the mobile home. It's coming into the driveway. This is the county road that goes right out to Highway 7, about just a few hundred feet. Oh. Did walk through it really quick and show you what the inside looks like. Coming in on the front porch. I do believe that's 20 feet long. I discussed that today, so I'm pretty sure. Goes out to the state highway. It's a nice sturdy porch. I like this. Nice and peaceful. The storage shed, I didn't mention that. I'm not sure the size of it, but it's nice to have some extra space included with the lease purchase. Okay, going in the front door. Okay, this is the kitchen that has been, the remodel has started. I'll start over here and look around. This room did have paneling and some type of ceiling that I believe was kind of a prefab. So this has all been, the previous occupant put sheetrock all throughout. This room, this is actually the living area. Actually put some paint on here too. It's pretty good. Just looking at the area from the hall. There was a step up to the kitchen, and there was an island or a pass-through right here, which was taken out to open up the area a little bit, and the refrigerator was right there. Has been moved over here, and actually just bought a refrigerator. This. Very nice. And they were starting on shelves, it appears. Or cabinets, I should say. These are the old cabinets. You see some more obviously missing. And those are, if you're interested in the retro look, out in that shed. It has a range top here. The vent hood is out in the shed as well. This is a pretty new oven, really nice one actually. And well, whatever that is. Maybe. So they were the last time I saw it had flooded everything out, and it's obviously been finished now. The recessed lighting, can fixture, that was not active. I'm not sure if that is live or not. There's another one on the other side of that fixture. Like a bulb out there too. That's a really nice ceiling fan as well. Moving along down the hall. Yeah, not sure where the light is. Oh, there it is down there. This actually to the left here is a closet. It's a really nice sized closet. I thought it might be good to open that up into this room, because this is actually a smaller room. By the way, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So this would actually, the other closet would come up to about right here. It could be opened up to that other wall, create a lot more space. Then we have the smaller of the 2 bathrooms. It's pretty much original. Everything at this end of the mobile home is more original. It hasn't been updated at all. With the exception of a nice ceiling fan. And the flooring actually was placed in here maybe 3 or 4 years ago. Pretty nice flooring. Moving back. This is, if you saw the first video, this is the laundry facility, and actually there's a pass-through that's pretty neat. This goes through to the master bath. Well, you could pass, or you could put towels up here, and if you wanted to be convenient to that restroom. But if you want to save space in this area, easily could turn this into a stackable and use some of this space. It's really deep. About 4 feet deep, looks like. We're into the master bath. Indirect lighting, which is the cabinet I was talking about. The indirect lighting is really dated. It's like that. As is. The master. One of the nice ceiling fans. It's like another ball of gun. So there you go. If you're a do-it-yourselfer and you want to take on a project, this may be for you. It's going to be priced. I'm not sure the price point. I'll have the contact information at the below the video. I'll post that and with the details on it. And if you're interested, you can contact us. And we can talk more about it.